What I'm about to share with you has to do with whether your restaurant or cafe will survive in the near future, so make sure you guys pay attention. Type into ChatGPT, what are the best Italian restaurant in Vancouver? Guys, look at the results. 5 restaurants out of hundreds in the city, only 5 has made the cut. ChatGPT does not give you 10 blue links like Google. It gives you 3 to 5 and that is it. Because here's what's happening right now. ChatGPT has over 800 million weekly users. And most restaurants, they're completely invisible to AI. In this video, I'm showing you exactly why, the behavioral shift that is happening beneath our eyes, and the step-by-step playbook for you as a restaurant owner so you can start showing up. Here's the behavioral shift. Let's say my friends are over and we want to order some pizza. 2 years ago, I would type this into Google, scroll through 10 different links, read a bunch of Yelp reviews, and then make a decision after 20-30 minutes. And today, I just go to ChatGPT, write in best pizza in Vancouver, click on the first 2 links, and voila. That's the reality that we're living in. And this is the reason why being on these AI search engines, it is so critical for the success of your restaurant moving forward. This isn't just me saying it. A recent study has found that these AI search actually increases the restaurant's revenue by more than 18% just by being present in these platforms. What that means is when someone finds your restaurant, cafe through ChatGPT or any of these AI, they are not comparing and contrasting. They have already decided because they trust AI will make the best decision for them. Step 1, complete your basics. Friends, your Google business profile is still your #1 tool. And what that means is that you have to fill in everything. Give it the hours, the menu, the photos, description, the attributes, all of it. Now here's the pro tip that most people miss. Your business description should read like you're explaining your restaurant to a friend. We don't want to fill in our profile with fluff like, welcome to La Bella Vita, we're looking forward to serving you. Instead, write, family-owned Italian restaurant in beautiful downtown Austin, specializing in handmade pasta and wood-fired pizza. The second one is packed with language that AI can actually understand, extract, and use. And here's the big unlock. ChatGPT does not search Google, friends. It searches Bing. So go to bingplaces.com and make sure you claim your Bing listing. Step number 2, make your reviews actually work for you. If customers keep raving about your matcha latte, well, guess what? AI is going to recommend you for that. So what you need to do right now is to encourage reviews. Aim for 5 to 10 new ones every single week, not 50 all at the same time and then ghost, because that's not going to work well within the search algorithm. You need to encourage long, written, detailed reviews. And the key here is to remember to respond to every single comment. Positive or negative, a well-written, thoughtful response to criticism actually builds trust. Ignoring it actually tanks your perception with customers and with the AI. Step number 3, fix your website so then that way AI can actually read it. That beautiful PDF menu, not optimal for AI to scan and read. That full screen video with no text, AI skips completely over it. Your menu needs to be actual text on your website. And an important key note here is to make sure you add an FAQ section, such as, do you have a vegan option? Or is there parking? Research has proven that identifying these FAQs and having these written texts on your website can boost AI visibility by more than 40%. Now, if you found any value in this video whatsoever, make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe along the journey. It shows the algorithm this is the type of content that we should start creating more for you. Have you tried asking ChatGPT about your restaurant? What came up? Let us know and we will learn together. Step number 4, answer the question that your customers are actually asking. People are not searching for restaurants near me anymore. They're asking for things like taco restaurants within walking distance with a great happy hour. And that's the reason why your FAQ section on your website, it is so critical. It's designed for exactly these types of questions. And the crazy thing is that not a lot of people understand the importance of this. So make sure you guys take action and implement this right now. Step number 5, get mentioned where AI actually looks. Research has found that ChatGPT actually cites Reddit in majority of its responses. And the average cited post is about a year and a half. And what that means is that your post needs to be relevant and up to date. So go out there and start reaching out to your local food bloggers. One genuine blog post is worth so much more for the AI visibility than 100 Instagram stories. Because with blog posts, AI can actually not just read it, but also store it in their backend. Whereas with Instagram stories, with Instagram posts, they actually disappear after a little bit. And on top of that, AI doesn't really crawl and index these platforms. The key here is not to overwhelm yourself with content creation and try to be everywhere. The key here is to be strategic with where your content is being posted, so then that way AI can find it and store it and then recommend your restaurant. And that's exactly why this is such a narrow window of opportunity. AI platforms are developing and advancing on the daily. People are getting smarter and smarter. This opportunity for you to show up at this very moment is gonna make or break your restaurant in the years to come. Meaning that if your restaurant is established right now, to build that citation pattern, that AI can actually recognize your restaurant for all these different types of keywords, then it becomes way harder for someone else trying to dethrone you later on. So you have to make sure that you complete your profiles. Get your reviews in order, fix your website, get mentioned where AI actually looks. And once that pattern is set, it's very, very difficult for your competitors to catch up. So there you go, friends. With that, we'll see you in the next video.